What is up, y'all? Looks like I need to... All right, I'm back, baby. Let's get the video. Yes, sir. Well, all right, here we go. We're going to turn you a little bit. There we go. Let's see what we got. I'm going to go get a coffee fill up sec. All right, I'm back. Looks like the market is currently dying. So text the old wife there a minute. All right, what are we looking at? I just got the big chart pulled up here on the SPY. It looks to me that we're dying. So let's, I don't know. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to get stuff pulled up ready for this Fed minute. I'm looking at the SPY going to 350, 750, and I think it's going to do it. And I mean, obviously, everyone's waiting for these minutes, right? So, yeah, here we sit. We can look at Tesla. I played Tesla earlier today. I played Tesla. I took puts at 216.25 or so, like at this level here and this candle. And I had about a 8% drawdown here. This was my risk actually, was the intraday high. And it hit it, but my rule is it has to break it and has to have a candle open and close above it. So I felt, I felt pretty confident in it. But then once I started seeing it do all this stupid consolidation, I wasn't having it. All this consolidation here, I thought was just trash. I hate sitting in these plays. I played it down to here, and then I ended up getting out, I don't know, for break even. Like, it was like 215 because all the decay that I had to eat. I played next week, Friday's the 21st. I had 6 contracts. So yeah, I'm just gonna. I mean, we can just chill. I'm trying to get a viewer. Never had a viewer before. Actually, I had one earlier today, but that was it. Um, wait. So we got about 13 minutes until we see the minutes. And I'm assuming, how do we want this set up? What do I want to watch? Because it's just me here. I'm going to just go 4 screens, Tesla, SPY. For some reason, I'm weird. I like this organized. SPY cues, I just feel like we can watch the dollar. Dude, them puts would have paid. I called this out earlier this morning. I was just looking at this level, this double top, so I kind of drew it out. They would have paid. You would have taken some heat here, but you would have quickly. I mean, you'd have only been in heat for what, like less than 3 minutes, obviously. I don't know how long this candle was up here, but I don't remember. But you would have been sitting pretty. I would have personally played it down to this, probably to here, which is almost where we're at now. That would have been a great play. Didn't play it, but so here we are. All right. We got Tesla. I'm going to mark intraday lows here in red and another one here in red on the SPY. Nope, not there. I couldn't move all those. I like this because it kind of locks on. Red, dollar. Watching the dollar. I think everyone knows. I love that. Look at all these bottoms here. It's fantastic. I'm going to mark that actually because I think that's probably better support on the Qs. Qs would have been that would have been a great call actually. Off of this double bottom and then retest. Money. I'm not playing calls though nowadays. It's just not for me. Calls are not for me. We'll see. Maybe the Feds will turn me around today. Sorry, I have 3 screens. I tell myself this because there's nobody in here. But hey. So what are we watching on Tesla? We can see if this trend line, actually it broke out and kind of came back. Bounced off from it again, but I'm going to work on some YouTube stuff, I guess. Just trying to get this so the channel may at least reach one person. It's kind of my goal. My goal is one person. Think it can happen? Do you think it can happen? I don't know. I think I just did a demographics survey on YouTube. The way I answered it, I think they're never going to let me have any views. It was crazy. Wow. I am actually surprised by that. All right. I don't know where, dude, I suck at this. I got to find my chat. I don't know where that is, the only reason I want chat is there was one person that was, okay, there's flies here. All right, we got 6 minutes. I can't forget that. 6 minutes until the old minutes come out. I feel like I'm a little... How's that? There we go. Sexy, and I know it. See, like this, I don't get why. So when I make a video, you have to click like a category. There's not like finance or anything in this one. So, yeah. All right, we got 5 minutes. Man, it's windy out. If you hear that, that is wind. This room is super echoey, but we're working on it. So bear with me. Bear with me. Dude, the SQQQ is, I mean, obviously it's inverse of the market, but hitting like, I remember when this thing was down. That sucker's ready to hit new day highs again, eh? sure. Actually, I'm just going to go straight. We don't need to get confused with the O short order there. Three minutes, guys. 3 minutes. And we shall see what we see. Dude, oh my gosh, I just got an alert. Apes down another 10%. This thing is getting so diluted, it isn't even funny. Dude, it's going to be sub $1 by the end of the month. That's crazy. AMC's getting murked too. You got to really like these stocks to still be in them. I'm not going to lie. I love the movement. I love what they stand for, but I'm just not feeling the movement as far as the price movement. I do have the dollar down here. I bet you that thing's going to spike if these things take a fall. We're probably going to feel it in the dollar too. So here we go. What do we have? Less than a minute. When that candle closes, 48 seconds. What do we got? What do we got? All right. And here we go. Is it going to pump? Yep. It's pumping. Pumping. Usually first move's the wrong move. First move's the wrong move usually. I don't know about with minutes, but typically with large announcements. Yep. Back to where we were. Looks like Ape's not getting a pump at all. It's still down 9.3%. Yep, here's a SPY coming back down. SPY down. Not loving it. I would guess that first move was the wrong move. I think that I don't see the actual minutes or any news stories on it yet. I'm probably not going to read through them live, but I'm going to definitely be reading them tonight. So we'll see what happens here. So far, not a huge move. Now we're back green. Nice big green push. Tesla's trying to go green. It's close. Here we go. Fed officials expect higher rates to stay in place. Meeting minutes show. The Federal Reserve released minutes Wednesday from September 2021 meeting. All right, there you go. Expect the rate hikes to continue is the gist of it. Tesla's the dollar's falling on this. with the market really not moving, I would guess just watching, unless this dollar, yeah, it's fighting this trend line. This trend line's from the day time frame. Oh, sorry, this one's from the day time frame. This one was just the intraday, I think, that I had. Is it? I don't know. Let me go to the day. Wow. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at there. It's fighting on it. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pop. It's weird right now because, all right, we got a little more news. In discussions, leadership's up to 75% point rate hike. Policymakers note that the inflation is especially taking its toll on lower income Americans. True. You think? Officials further note that with inflation showing little signs so far of abandoning, they have raised their assessment of the path of the federal funds rate that would likely be needed to achieve the committee's goals. Dude, look at the market, man. Up, down, up, down. I bet you they're pricing in the bonds market. I bet it's pricing in at least a 0.75% at this point. They said inflation has been driven by supply chain problems that were not limited to goods, but also stressed to a shortage of labor. Participants judged that inflation pressures would gradually recede in coming years. In coming years. Dude, we're going to be here for a minute in the bloodbath. The meeting concluded with the FOMC approving its third consecutive 0.75 percentage point increase, taking benchmark rates to a range 3 to 3.25%. Markets widely expect a similar size increase to be approved at the next meeting in early November. Right. We expect 0.75%. Officials did note that they see a point coming when the pace of rate hikes at least will decelerate, though they did not put a time frame on when that will happen. A lot of people are saying it's going to be in the spring when we see a decrease. I don't know. I think we see 75. I mean, obviously the next meeting we get 75. I think we get at least a 50 the following, if not a 75. And dude, there ain't much showing that inflation's coming down. It's cray-cray. It's absolutely insane. So we'll see. Not a ton of movement here. I mean, dude, we got 3 people watching. What's going on? What's going on, guys? You got to realize you're number 2 and number 3 that I've ever seen. So if you could comment something, I might give you some money. Well, wait, you'd have to subscribe first. That's cool. Welcome. Thank you. I'm brand new. I'm here to talk about, obviously, stocks and options. I'm going 50K to 100K. My funds haven't cleared TD yet, so I'm technically not trading those yet, but I'm going to start. We're going to go from 50 to 100 in 30 days. That's my goal. Think we can do it? I don't know. We're going to try. So what's up? How are you? What's good? What are you playing? What are you watching? What do you think about these minutes? I think it's just another sign that the Fed is not backing down. The Fed will do what it takes. I don't trust the Fed. They're the government. But I I do think that they're not going to just like randomly U-turn and be like, oh yeah, no, it's under control. We're good. Not going to happen. Not going to happen at all. So I think we're going to be in the blood. We're going to be in the bloody ocean for a while here. I don't think they U-turn. And normally when they U-turn, the stock market, obviously, that's when I'm buying into long term is once the Fed U-turns. I think this is another sign. Fed's not going anywhere. Interest rate hikes are not going anywhere. I think oil keeps going up. Our lovely president just put a floor on oil at what, 80, 85 bucks or something. No bueno for the old stock market. So it's puts. Puts pay anyway. Puts pay for sure. So, yeah, if anyone that's in here could, there's literally 2 people watching. If they could subscribe, tell you what, if you subscribe and you come back tomorrow, I will make a trade that you pick and I'll give you all the proceeds with my money. I'll give you like $100. I'll give you $100 to play with. How about that? But you need to subscribe. Is it worth it? So, yeah, I mean, honestly, this thing hasn't moved at all. Nothing's moved. Up, down, up, down. We're not going anywhere. No one knows what to actually think. I think put season, maybe in this upside down stock market world that we live in, where bad news is good news, maybe people are like, okay, no, good. The Fed's doing what they're supposed to. But I don't see how that shows buy signal. Like, more than likely that's showing we got more rates to come, and maybe maybe we've priced in, the 0.75%, and now people are thinking, cool, we know, right? The market doesn't like unknowns, so maybe we've priced in that 0.75%, and now it's buy time. I'm not buying it. I'll buy it, wait for weakness. We've seen this before. Look at this pump. You get pumps like this. Next day they just retrace. They're gone. They completely kill it. I don't believe this in a second. I don't even believe this pump. This ain't even that big of a pump. But I don't believe it. Sorry, this is from earlier. This put would have paid nicely. I marked it. Dude, I didn't even know I could do that. That's pretty sweet. So yeah, I made that there. I liked it. You would have been you would have been taking some heat on this thing up to there, but that was my stop loss was on that. I didn't take this play, but I did call it out. Again, to no viewers. I literally had no viewers. How crazy is that? So stupid. I'm actually a shitty streamer, but hey, it is what it is. It's all good. I'm not a shitty streamer. I just started. I'm actually here for retail. For us, I want to help people make better trades. Honestly, that's what I want to do. I want to walk through trades with people step by step and help them. Help them where I can. I want nothing in return. I'm not going to sell no programs. I never will. I think them things are trash. You need to learn. To me, you got to learn on your own, but not on your own, but I mean, you don't got to buy someone's course for them to teach you what a bull flag is, or they don't need to teach you support and resistance lines. Like, come on. They're just looking for you to buy something, so I'm not about that. This thing has sideways traded all day, which is pretty common for big news in the afternoon, but we'll see. In order for me to get real fancy about it, I need to see like 359. 359.38. I buy puts, probably. Should I buy puts there? Or is this going to be like such a movement? I might buy puts at 358. I might. Sorry, not 358. 359.38. I love puts. Yesterday I played puts at 362. Dude, they were golden. Dollar's dying, but that's because the market's coming up. So, we'll see. Dollar's a good one to watch. Tesla ain't doing much on this, honestly. I mean, it's pushing it. Oh, did it make a new high? It triple topped Talk about a fantastic put entry on Tesla. Was this triple top? Like, does it get any cleaner than a triple top? I would have played that put. Didn't even watch it. Too busy watching the SPY. This thing, I don't know. I might play puts at 362 if it gets that high. I don't think it will. I think this will retrace tomorrow if it does. But that's just me. We'll see. What do I know, I guess? I mean, I read the highlights on CNBC, and I don't see anything that looks like incredibly good here. So, yeah. All I see is they're committed to raise interest rates. They're not backing down. To me, that is not a positive for the market. But again, what do I know? I literally don't know nothing. Yeah. Keeps pushing. So far, this Tesla triple top would have been a good entry. We'll see if it plays out. We will see. We will see. Any tickers you guys want to look at? You want to look at anything? You let me know. I can do a little market, little chart breakdown if you need. BTC didn't move much on that. Little pop, I guess. I'm curious if this retraces and this. I don't trust this move, honestly. This channel we've been in all day, I think puts pay at 359.40. 359.40, I think puts pay. Just my opinion. Not telling you to go buy them, but I'm just saying. Here it comes. Tesla's not getting the push that the SPY is. I think it. We'll see. We'll know shortly if this retraces. I had my TD account pulled up, and I was gonna buy some stuff if I seen like some big move in it, but I'm not seeing what I want to buy. I'm gonna put on here because I enjoy doing this because then it just builds confidence in my setups. I don't want it there. I put this in here. I put this on everything, really, to be honest. I'm going to put it on this line. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought was going to happen. I thought I was going to just dump and just retrace this little move that it had. And there it goes. There it goes. Nasty weather where I'm at. Nasty, nasty. Yeah, everything is just kind of flat. Apple's flat. Tesla did go green, but not by much. Apes down 8%. Man, that poor stock. Has it had a green daily candle? Yeah, I remember those. I guess, yeah. I do remember, like, what push was that? This here? That was nice. It had some, like, what? That had some big gainers in there, I thought. Oh, not massive. Not massive. Grabbing the wrong thing always here. Let's see what happens. Got a nice little, I mean, obviously you can see this push out of Tesla here. But do you actually trust this? Like, really? It's just the Fed minutes pump. We'll see. We sit and watch and wait. Let the play come to us. We're not going to force it. We don't FOMO because we're bored, right? I'm here to help you make money, not lose. I don't want you to get into plays. I want you to win. So let's win. And we win usually by waiting, as sad as that sounds. All righty. I don't think the market knows really what to do. Maybe Power Hour will bring us some movement. We need some movement to make any money, people. Don't you know? All right, I'm going to lower my desk and take a seat. So bear with me 1 second. All right, looks like Tesla's responding well to the old trend line here. I gotta lower this so you can see me. There we go. Yeah. And here comes the old dump. I don't think we get any positive movement out of this. I just don't see it. Tesla's below the trend line. This trend line, though, I mean, it's not even, all that trend line is a little pump. I don't think it sticks. Here it goes. Tesla broke down. Clear breakdown. US dollar pop. The Dixie. AMC's down 5% now. Such a bummer, man. I feel bad. I was in all that. But I still have some AMC. What a nice little call position there if you wanted to play that. I'm not playing calls like I said. I had a lot of AMC. Sold some because I couldn't have that much money tied up into a single stock. I thought it was going to move pretty quick, and it didn't. I didn't sell on them pops. I held, and I'm still holding some. I did sell some. But it really freed me up to get my head right and not be stuck watching an individual ticker wait for some massive move that, honestly, I mean, I'm sure it'll move. I'm sure it'll move eventually. And I don't think it's hit its highs. But what's changed to say that AMC is going to go to 2,000? Who says that? I mean, they took the buy button away at $70. Are we just being foolish to think they're not going to do the same? You think the rich are going to let that happen? I don't know. Hey, that's why everyone has their own trading account, right? You can do what you want. It's your money. Pretty nice push there in the old Tesla. Back up to the, what did I say? Puts there. Let's see. Let's see if it works. I think I like puts here. The problem is, though, if it hits this, it's either going to break out or break up in a pretty decent move if you want to at least put any faith on that trend line I drew. Put entry. Oh, man, when I sit down, my back, though. Put entry. Oh, I should do maybe because I don't want to get anyone confused. I am pretty picky. I want this to touch. I want it to touch. I want it to be a clean. I want it to be a clean move. I want it to touch it, and then I will play it to the downside. So, yeah, when I stand up, that's why I got this desk. When I sit down, I usually just, crouch. I look like a hunchback. When I'm up, I'm chilling. I love coffee. All right. Here comes my Tesla puts. Tesla puts. In them. I'm going to see what'll happen if you'd be in them. In them. I'm in them right there. We're not going to move it. We're going to see if that was the time for Tesla puts or not. For me to get out of this trade, yeah, I'd be out. I mean, it's making pretty good highs here. I would have been out already. I would have been in. I would have gave it a chance. I may wait until this candle closes, I suppose. I would probably wait for this candle to close, and if it retested this and then pushed, normally on a breakout like this, you're going to see it come back down and retest. I mean, these are new highs for the day, so. Dude, it's pouring rain in my house. right, let's see if Tesla comes back down and retest. Let's see. It's not. It just keeps pushing, huh? All right. I guess that wouldn't have worked. I would have been long out of that play. Yeah, Tesla's cruising up almost 1%. On the upside, I'm going to probably watch just some pre-market. Oh, dude, here I am again. I'm probably watching up here. A little pre-market high. I'm going to take this out because it clearly broke it. Pre-market high and then yesterday's low, which is literally identical. So there's going to be, I mean, we're sitting at support, you know. You see this here. This is clearly consolidation from yesterday. It ended up breaking it obviously to the downside, but I'm watching a break here to the upside. If we get above 219.50, it breaks to the upside. Yesterday I bought about one Tesla share, only to see if my money was going to clear. And I didn't know this, but they clear money for equity purchasing, but not for options until that 4 business days. So, I don't want all this on here. Why did it do that? I'm curious here if this is gonna play out. Curious if my, okay, where did this go? What the heck? Why did it do this? My gosh. What did I hit? Oh my gosh. Did I hide like, I don't know what I did. I'm going to open up another view over here and we'll see what I did. Of course, right? I love TradingView, not going to lie. Okay. Don't know what we did here. And then you can see a picture of my son for a second. And we're going to cover him back up. And we're going to go back here. There. Back at it. All right. There was my put position. It literally hit that. Let's see. It is pouring buckets here, guys. Dude, look at my put position. Holy. Called that out like hours ago. Just kidding. It was like minutes ago. But that was a massive play. That was 359.40 to 358.75. Dude, with zero drawdown, zero taken on heat. That was probably the play I liked. It's still dumping. Qs aren't dropping as much as the SPY did, but another beauteous on Qs. A beauteous little topper there. It could retrace, it's hard to tell, but hard to tell. Bitcoin doesn't have much movement from that. I still, GME's up 3.5%. That's pretty cool. Good old GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. Let's go. I really love that put entry on the SPY. I probably would have taken profits already on that. I mean, it wouldn't have been much, but on an afternoon like this, it's like, take what you can get, brother. If you guys hear that rain, that's insane. And the wind? It's different. Been doing this too long, huh? I didn't do more than one trade today, and I'm glad I didn't. Look at that mess. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all a story, which is literally I'm telling nobody a story, but my story is this. Back in the day, I would trade. Look at this. Let's see if it okay, if this thing hits that, I need to know, but back in the day, I would trade in a way that I was thinking that I'm missing the boat. And I always thought I would get into a trade and whatever. You're in it. You're like, okay, here, I'll pull this SPY up on the big chart here. And I would get into a trade right out of the gate. And I talked about this. I did a video, it's called the Retail Traders Suck at Trading. And it's true. It's true. I don't think anyone even can throw a good argument. Like, show me the numbers where retail traders are good. Like, where are they good traders? So anyway, I used to trade thinking like, just get in and I got a stop loss. Well, you never knew where the stop loss was and why. You had no conviction. So I'd sit there and I'd be like, oh yeah, no, like, oh, it's showing some strength. This candle here, oh, it double topped, okay, I'm going to let it come down. Dude, today, when I started trading, I would have been in calls. I would have been in puts. I would have been in calls, puts. I bet you I would have traded 20 times, I bet. 20 times. And the SPY hardly went anywhere. It's up $1.29. And that's not even close yet. This thing could close in the red. You don't need to trade. I would much rather take one trade, break even, than sit there and literally stress out, right? You're stressed. You're losing money. And I took too big a size. So now I take 10%. It's easy. I can be in a trade now and I can leave here and I can go make a coffee. I can go to the bathroom, make lunch, and I can come back and I'm not sitting here literally stressed out. Or if I got to have a phone call, I had it where I had to go talk to my lawn guy and I was in a trade that was way too big with short-term expirations. I was up like 10 grand. I came back, I was down. And I'm sitting there just stewing. Like I couldn't even have a good conversation. Love the guy. He's great. So I'm just shooting the shit with him. And I'm just, you're just like, dude, I'm losing money. I know I'm losing money. And I'd pull my phone out and quick look. I'm like, oh my gosh, and you don't want to be rude and whatever. So now I don't do that. I take 10% of my account and I'm willing to lose 10% of that position. So that's 1% of the account. And that makes me sleep good at night. It makes me I'm more confident in my trades. I took one Tesla put today, one Tesla put play. I had 6 puts on Tesla, and that was the one play I made. That was it. And it's Fed minutes today, so, there's that. Normally you get some pretty good chop. But tomorrow is when my money hits my TD account for options, and technically it's down because I bought 2 stocks just seeing if my buying power was there. I didn't know it was. But I have one Tesla at 220 and I have an SQQQ at $63. So we'll see. I'm currently down. I'll refresh it. I'm currently down $3 and 33 cents. 333. I have a current value of $280.64. And my goal is to take 50K and make it 100K by November 15. Deer opener where I live. The deer opener. But can I do it? $2,000 a day. It's pretty tough. Pretty tough. 2,000 a day is no small feat. Especially a day like today, yeah, I wouldn't have made. I don't even know if I plan on making another trade today. I should have taken this put entry on SPY, but hey. Yeah, we'll see. I think I'm doing the 50 to 100 to see if I can do it. I'm still not going to take any plays that I wouldn't normally take. Like I'm not going to do a stupid YOLO play because I'm 25 days in and I got 20,000 to go yet, Nope, I'm good. Then I fail. I'm just curious if I can do it. I've seen other creators try to do 50 to 100 and miserably failed. I think Coors tried one with, what's that other dude's name? What is that dude's name? That dude that went to jail. He was pharma What was his name? Farm or something. They nicknamed him. But yeah, no, Coors tried to do it. I love Coors. I think he's a super smart dude. I really do. I'd love to talk to him personally. Um, he's a little bit more risk tolerant than I am. He lets trades go against him pretty hard. But he's a swing trader, and I'm a swing trader too in the right market. I just don't think today's market is great for swing traders. They tend to get destroyed from that overnight session, man. You can get drawdowns from like 2%, 2%. We've had 3% days on the Qs, 4%. So, yeah, no, Coors could do it. I think Coors, sorry, I don't even know what Coors. At Coors. I think he does it somewhat for the community. You know, I've watched him. I mean, I bet you dozens of times, dozens and dozens. If I was driving or something, I would just throw him on in the mornings and listen to him. But yeah, I was entertained by his futures plays in the morning. That was fun. I don't know if you guys realize how much money's needed to swing 10 or 12 or 15 contracts on the ES. That's no chump change there. But that's why, he's moving thousands of dollars in either direction in seconds, to be honest. And he's just playing the volatility in the morning. Like, hey, no matter what way I trade, if I bet a large enough contract size, just like today, I mean, if you took today's market open and you bet 15 futures contracts, either to the put side or call side, you would have been paid within the first 6 minutes, no matter what. If you took a put here, you're going to be paid. Dude, if you held this with 15 futures contracts, you're up the tens of thousands. But, he's only looking to move a few points. So if you bet 10 futures, you're paid within the first 30 seconds. And if you bet calls, you'd have to handle this massive drawdown on your account. Dude, I didn't even have it all showing. Massive drawdown. I mean, you are talking, like I said, tens of thousands of dollars in drawdown on 10 futures contracts. But he would have been paid here. But you take that play here on bad numbers, like I think the community, I know I would have bet, a little downside because it still opened up. Yeah, there was no gap really. So I would say a put play out of the gate here was a fairly reasonable play. I don't really know why this bounced here. I mean, I guess it bounced there, but this sell-off yesterday was insane. I got the put play on the SPY from up here. That was my play yesterday. Again, I think I made, what did I make? 2 plays yesterday? I've learned not to make as many plays. It's not smart. Not smart. Let's not get stupid and make plays we regret. SPY's still coming down. Dude, I haven't watched the SQQQ in a long time. I just bought one because I was thinking, I didn't know if that was an equity that TD let you buy before your funds fully cleared. And it is. They do. I'm down 1% on my QQQ. Down 1.3% on my Tesla. Couple bucks. What's the what's Tesla inverse? Is it S or Q Tesla? Or what is it? Actually, you know what? I think I have it on my phone. I don't remember what that is. Oh yeah, TSLQ. The Tesla Bear ETF. This thing don't trade no volume. No volume. That's trash, bro. Is a SPY? Where's my SPY? Yeah. Dude, my put play would have paid. Big. Oh, man. Yeah, it's dying. SPY's dying. Oof. The old Dixie fell off and it's recovering. I mean, once you guys get in here, if anyone watches this after I'm done with the stream, can you please comment? I just want to know someone's there and they're alive. Like, if you've watched this, I don't think anyone's going to ever get this far into a stream. But hey, it is what it is. I did a stream yesterday for an hour and 22 minutes, and it's got 47 views only. That's trash, bro. That's not good. It's not good. It's terrible. But whatever. It's actually helped me. It's helped me trade. It's helped me make good trades. Not getting into stuff because I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs, playing music. At least I'm not playing music now. That's kind of a bummer. Or a podcast. I would listen to podcasts. Not anymore. Question is SPY going to go back green or back red or stay green? It's close, 27 cents. Oof. Continued selling. Pretty good support here. We're at support now. I'd probably sell my position if I was in puts right now. If it breaks this, yeah, I'd be out. I would see that retraction that it just did off from the 357.85 level. I would have sold. I would have been out. It might come back down, but it wouldn't have mattered. That move was big chilling. You don't need a massive move to make 10% in options. And I'm not looking to make 100, 200%. I'm looking for, like I said, 10%, 20. Yeah. What a dime move. That was perfect. Zero drawdown. It's very rare you could get a trade with not taking any heat. Let me tell you. And that's where retail, in my opinion, goes bad. They take the heat and they sell, and then they get in the other way and they flip-flop. As Meet Kevin would say, don't be a flip-flopper. Have a plan before you get into a stupid trade. Yeah. Oh, it just broke it. One second here. All right, I'm back. Look at, dude, that put would have paid. Paid. Big. Q's are about ready to go red. Tesla's working on it. All right, bunch of support there. Bunch of support, not a bunch. I mean, it's just this big wick here, but this is from the minutes from the minute release. So I don't see this being massive support, but it clearly bounced from it. We'll see if it holds. Tesla is going red in 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. Big old red candle on Tesla. Just went red. Dude, it's so windy out. Tesla's flirting with the red-green line. I think it all kind of falls apart here. My wife bought me shoes for my birthday. They just came in the mail, and she texted me. She just said, grab the package by the front door. And I said, I'm already wearing them. Oh, it's funny to me. Our relationship is kind of like that. And it wasn't even it. Yeah, she's like, that was an Amazon package, not your shoes. Joke's on me, I guess. Spies coming back. I guess it ended up being some pretty good support here. Oh, shoot. I guess triple touch. That one broke a little below, but yeah, 357.12. Weird number. She just texted, you actually want to die. Little resistance here. It could be another nice entry for a put. I don't love it. I mean, I would have wanted to see the RSI a little more overextended. That RSI overextended in one direction or the other is nice. Yeah, that put would have paid again. Let's see, though, if it can break this 357.12. It's flirting. I don't think we're getting much movement here in power hour. All right, I think I'm going to make me a thumbnail. I'm not good at this stuff. I haven't even edited a video yet. To be honest, I just make them in one cut and post them. I need to do like the whole intro. You know, add like a little video clip to it. This chair that I'm on, I think I might die. Just trying to see. Am I actually? No. I'm still right on my SQQQ. All right, I'm wanting to I'm making so my goal for the channel is to get real for a minute. I want to talk to people about God. It's really throwing me out there for a limb, but I feel like I'm not like one of those crazy people. Usually the person that says that's crazy, but that, like a super Bible thumper, as they would say. I feel like I'm doing my best to try to help people, because I feel like nowadays, people strive for money and they think that brings them happiness. And in my opinion, it doesn't. So I found true happiness in being content, trusting in the Lord, and I went through some stuff, man. I've sinned for years, and I didn't do like baby sins either, but He forgives me, and I want to be here to help anyone along that journey. So I want to make a little movie about it. Just a minute, my dog wants to go out. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I want to help them along, man. If people are struggling in life, I'm not perfect, but if I can help someone, that spy just it rejects off 357.85 numerous times. Pretty good position, actually. If you did get these putts, it would have been smart to play this down. You rejected here, so if you didn't get out here, this would have been a good entry when you see this rejection to get actually more size. Dog's back. Yeah, so like I was saying, I mean, you could have used that as another rejection point. I personally see it rejecting here, but could be wrong. You never know. Not playing it, so I'm not watching it too close, but I'm working on this. I want to... Yeah, it looks like we did get a little pump past where I thought it would fail. Everything's getting a pump. Same thing. Exact same thing. You could almost draw a trend line there. I usually just try to look at these things myself. Decent fall. Yeah, we can watch Tesla. It's fine. No worries there. Tesla's big chillin'. Tesla's big chillin'. All right, guys. I think I'm going to record a little short video of talking about stocks and Jesus. Stocks and Jesus is what the title is. And the subtitle is Christians Day Trading. And I'm going to talk about my thoughts. Is it right? Is it wrong? What is it? So let's see. Probably going to I'm sure YouTube won't allow that thing to be seen. Let's be honest. Got nothing to lose at this point. So thanks for watching. Peace and love, baby.